Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So these are the things I got from the market today. Melon. We want to prepare githeri, guys. These are bananas and potatoes. Bananas and potatoes. And then this is the githeri, guys. This is githeri, guys. Going for $1/2. I don't like githeri with little beans. I like a lot of maize and like beans. Yes guys, so welcome back to this channel and feel welcome guys for my returning subscriber. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate, guys. That's rain there. Yeah, so guys, today I'm taking you along as we prepare githeri and show you how we prepare githeri here in Africa, guys. Yeah, so keep tuned. So guys, first thing first, that's my table and my gas. First thing first, I'll just start peeling the bananas. These bananas here, guys. Peeling the bananas. Yes, I'll start by peeling the bananas. Then I peel those viazi or potatoes. Yes guys, so yes, let me see if I can put you about this point like that, guys. Yes, because I have no one to record me and I don't even have the tripod, just to show you how we do this, guys. You just peel it like that, then I will cut it like that into small, not very small, but small pieces, guys. Yes, so this is the other banana, guys. I peel it like that. Peel it. Peel it. Then I cut it. I'll do this until I finish, guys, so keep tuned. Yes, see you as I finish. Is yummy. Mamaliza. Good. So guys, I have completed everything. Now it's just a matter of washing them. You can see how dirty they are. Yes, washing them clean, and then I will start frying them. So now guys, we have our onion here, as you can see. Then I put it here so that I light up the fire. As you can see guys, now I just take a matchbox and light the fire and then put some oil. So guys, as you can see, the fire is on. Now it's time to fry them. It's time to fry them guys. This is the oil. Hey, it's not opening up. What's up? I think I just put a lot of fire. Yesterday we were cooking ugali guys, so today we are cooking githeri guys. Yes. Githeri in Africa. Let me fry these onions. Then I put the tomatoes guys. So here we go again guys with the onions. You can see. I mean with the tomatoes. I fry them a little bit, then I add these ones. My potatoes and bananas inside here. Hey guys, then I have put my these are the potatoes and the bananas that I was peeling, so I have put them inside. Now it's just about stirring them until they come to terms with the onions and the oil and the tomatoes. You see? Yes, and a very nice color. That's how we cook githeri here in Africa, guys. So I just went to take salt, and I found that there was no salt inside here. I found no salt. Now I'm feeling so bad because I have to go for salt all the way downstairs. I'm so bored by that, but I have to go for it. Look guys, they are now boiling. Let me go for the salt very fast. So guys, I have gotten for the salt. Here it is. Of course, you know guys, this is the most important ingredient, cane salt. Then I've added my githeri. As you can see, this is just basically beans and corn maize. Yes guys, so our githeri is coming up slowly by slowly. Yes guys, I hope my daughter eats this. Hopefully eats this very well so that she can be able to sleep. She doesn't have an appetite nowadays. Yes guys, so let me put this salt here on this container. that is it, guys. And this is basically my room, guys. Yes, just the simple room that you always see. Yes, Lynn has been praying with these pillows. That's why they are scattered all over. Let's see the weather today, guys. The weather today is kinda gloomy. It was very sunny in the morning, but right now, as you can see, guys, it has started being so gloomy this evening. Yes. Okay, just the season of cold winter season. Let me taste the salt now. Let us wait like 5 minutes and see if they will be ready. Because they have been boiling for some few minutes. It's ready, guys, as you can see. Just I have taken this plate. It's a big plate, but it's not like I will this serving spoon. We need to wash it first. So guys, I've served myself and Lynn. Look at that, guys. That's the GITHERI here in Africa. Yes, guys, so thank you for watching this video until this point. Let me just dig in GITHERI for you guys. It's have come out so well. Yes, let me just find the spoons, call in so that we can eat, and then I'll see you later on, guys. Thank you so much if you have reached this point. So guys, I have decided to eat the GITHERI with the tea. The tea from morning. Yes, this one. Bon appetit, guys. Look at this girl here. We are just relaxing now, guys. What's wrong with you? Stop. He is playing with me so much. Tell them to subscribe. Subscribe.